Friends, ever wanted to use your desktop Chrome extension on your mobile device but want to avoid installing multiple apps? Check out this video and do it in few steps. This will not work on Chrome browser, but you can download either Kiwi or Yandex browser to install the extension of your choice. For this demo, let's download Kiwi browser from Play Store. Launch the app and tap on the three dot and select extension. Make sure developer mode is on. Now go to Chrome OS Store and download the extension of your choice. Select the extension and tap on the Add to Chrome button. A message pop-up will appear asking if you wish to confirm. Tap on OK. The extension is now installed and it is showing on the menu. Just tap to access it. To manage the installed extension, hit the three dot again and select extension. Here you can disable or remove the extension with a few taps. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe.